A lot of people think they have to buy a domain and hosting just to start a funnel, but that's not true. Launching a funnel doesn't have to cost anything. With System.io, you can get started immediately using a free subdomain like yourname.system.io. Next, you could design your pages and link your free lead magnet all without spending a dime. But that's just the starting point. To really grow and automate a faceless system, the AI Faceless List Builder has step-by-step templates, prompts, and a complete faceless funnel blueprint. It shows you exactly how to plug in lead magnets, emails, and affiliate offers so your funnel runs quietly and consistently. No domain purchase needed. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description if you want to check it out. On top of the core system, you also get bonuses like the Faceless Campaign Creator Bot and AI Prompt Vault to make the whole process even faster. It's beginner friendly, comes with a 30-day money back guarantee, and costs less than $20. If you're ready to launch a funnel without paying for a domain, the link's waiting for you in the description.